Let's also tell you that the Delhi government just 4 days back had banned all firecrackers production, sale and use of firecrackers in the national capital to control air pollution in the coming winter season. But this order couldn't even be implemented for a week properly, courtesy the Aam Aadmi Party workers. Now, the Aam Aadmi Party cadres celebrated Arvind Kejriwal's bail with burning crackers, defying the order which was passed by their own government.
बैन है पटाखों में, क्या बोलेंगे?
अभी मुझे मालूम नहीं है. I've just reached here.
There are crackers that were burned.
This is a celebration today. The entire Delhi is very happy. The entire India is very happy that the Honorable CM has got bail in that case, which was totally furgy. So that this is a celebration which is going on.
बेल मिल गया, लेकिन क्या crackers जो ban है?
I don't know. I have just reached here. Let me know what has happened.
Now, soon after the situation started getting worse, the BJP slammed the duplicity of the Delhi government in combating air pollution by violating the ban. Listen it.
दिल्ली में अरविंद केजरीवाल की सरकार ने पटाखों पर बैन लगा रखा है और पटाखे बेचने वाले व्यापारी दर दर की ठोकरें खा रहे हैं। लेकिन दूसरी ओर खुद अरविंद केजरीवाल के घर के बाहर अरविंद केजरीवाल की पार्टी के लोग पटाखे फोड़ रहे हैं। कहाँ गया अरविंद केजरीवाल का बैन? कहाँ गया अरविंद केजरीवाल का प्रतिबंध? क्या कानून केवल साधारण लोगों के लिए है, विशेष लोगों के लिए कोई कानून नहीं? अरविंद केजरीवाल की सरकार को इस बात का जवाब देना चाहिए कि क्यों जब दिल्ली में पटाखे बैन है तो उनकी पार्टी के लोग क्यों पटाखे चला रहे हैं।
The Delhi Environment Minister Gopal Rai chaired a meeting after the ruckus and violation by the workers to combat air pollution in the coming months.
The supporters burst multiple crackers in his welcome since the last few hours. The distance between me and the camera lens is less than a step, but the pollution levels are so high that I can't seem to know where my camera is exactly. And this is the level of pollution that has taken place. Continuous bombarding of crackers has taken place in the last few hours. And in fact, when we confronted the Mayor Shelley Oberoi on this, she did not have an answer. Even in her presence, the crackers were burst. And in fact, even in Kejriwal's presence, the crackers were burst yet again. Showing you here the visuals, you can see that this area is completely polluted. And towards the other side as well, you can see that air is completely choked because of the pollution. To give our viewers a little bit more context, Delhi battles with air pollution, and it is a serious problem that takes place. And still, in fact, Gopal Rai recently held a meeting with several members to combat air pollution. But when it comes to the Aam Aadmi and when it comes to the Diwali, crackers are banned. But when it comes to welcoming their supremo Arvind Kejriwal, crackers somehow come back.